students, so now we are going to learn on the basis of hydrogen ion how we classify the acids. So on the basis of hydrogen ion we classify the acid monoprotic, diprotic, triprotic and polyprotic. See, protic, the what? It means the proton. So sometimes the hydrogen ion, they are also considered, they are also said to be protons, right? That is why it is said to be monoprotic, diprotic, triprotic and polyprotic. But for now, just to remember mono and protic. Mono means one, protic. What is the meaning of monoprotic over here? The acids which furnishes or which give one hydrogen ion. Right? Or you can, more technically you can say that which produces 1 mole of hydrogen ions in an acidic solution. So generally the acid which is having only one hydrogen ion, it can dissociate only one hydrogen ion. It can give by concentration only one hydrogen ion like HCl. So H plus and Cl minus, HNO3, H plus. So these are the example of the monoprotic acid, right? Now come to the diprotic. So the word di means the 2. So the acids which give 2 moles of hydrogen ions or which furnish 2 moles of hydrogen ions in the given solution, in the given aqueous solution. The example of these are H2SO4, it is having 2, right? So just remember which are having 2 hydrogen ions. Now come to the triprotic. Triprotic means which are having 3 hydrogen ions which furnishes 3 hydrogen ions, and polyprotic which is having more than 3 hydrogen ions. Okay, so H3PO4 phosphoric acid is there, right? Then so on the basis of this hydrogen ion we can divide or we can differentiate the acids into monoprotic, diprotic, triprotic and polyprotic. Clear? So just for simplicity you just remember mono means 1. So the acids which contain 1 hydrogen ion, they are the monoprotic. HCl, HNO3, right? Then diprotic which contain 2 like the H2SO4, triprotic 3 like that H3PO3 and polyprotic more than 3, right? So these are this example of on the it is a classification on the basis of the hydrogen ion. Then come to the another classification, that is on the basis of dilution. Now on the basis of dilution, how we differentiate the acids? So on the basis of dilution, whenever we are having acid, so if the acid contains more quantity of water, if the acid contains more quantity of water, it is said to be dilute acid. And when there is a less quantity of water, right, here more quantity of water and less quantity of acid. Here less quantity of water and more quantity of acid. Okay, more quantity of acid. That type of acids are said to be concentrated acid. In your laboratory, generally you saw that it is written over there dilute DIL and CONC conc. So the dilute and conc, it is for that only. So dilute acids are those acids, right? Generally we did this in case of the mineral acids. We are using for the laboratory purpose, so we diluted the acids because generally mineral acids are very harmful when they are in the concentrated form. So we dilute that form. So when we are adding less quantity of water and more quantity of water, it is said to be dilute acid. While when the quantity of water is less and when the quantity of acid is more, it is said to be the concentrated acid. So quantity of water is more and acid is less, it means we are again talking about it's a hydrogen ion concentration over there. Clear? So now you got on the basis when on the different bases we classify the acids into different categories. So the first category is the on the basis of the origin, that is from plant source, from animal source and from mineral. What are the example of organic acids? The examples of organic acids are the acetic acid, right, the oxalic acid, tartaric acid, then citric acid very commonly. Clear? These are example of organic acid. Mineral acids, which we obtain from minerals. The example of mineral acids: HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Then on the basis of its hydrogen ion concentration, we divide it into monoprotic, diprotic, triprotic, polyprotic. On the basis of its strength, we divide it into strong acids and weak acids. The acids which completely dissociate into their ions are said to be strong acids, and the acids which cannot be completely dissociate into their ions are said to be the weak acids. And on the basis of dilution, they are which contain more quantity of water, they are said to be dilute acid, while which contain less quantity of water, they are said to be the concentrated acids. So you got a clear idea about the acids. What are acids? What are the simple, how you can simply identify an acid, and what is the classification of acids? Is it clear about the acid? We will learn in more detail about the properties afterwards. First we will discuss the base. Clear? So now we are going to start base.